I'm here on the State of Indiana Supplier portal where I want to talk for a moment about the register bidders process. Because of the new application simplicity, IDOA has eliminated the dedicated bidder registration coordinator. You are going to be the best resource to assist with registration for your purchases and your contracts, and you should become familiar with those requirements. Of course, technical problems encountered may be submitted to GMIS from IDOA's webpage or right from here on the supplier portal. They first select Register Bidders. To complete the process, businesses or individuals must follow these 5 simple steps. The first is an instructional welcome. The second is entering identifying information. The third is entering addresses. The fourth is entering contacts, and then they simply come to submit. I am now going to move over to 9.2, where I am in the Purchasing Work Center on the PO tab, where I'm going to open the Maintain Bidder area. I'm going to enter a portion of a business name here in company name. I'm going to change the operator to contains and select search. It's going to return a list of bidders who meet that search criteria. I can see the bidder ID, the status as of effective date, their approval status, an email ID, a bidder type, the company name, any additional name, and the last 4 digits of the taxpayer identification number. I'm going to sort these results by clicking the name header. That is the one that I want to open, so I'm going to select the name. I could select anywhere on the row to retrieve the information. The main tab will display the company name that was entered, the 10-digit bidder ID number, and the company URL if one was entered. The rest of this information is historical. The Addresses tab will display those entries. The Contacts tab, it will list the persons associated with the bidder and their contact information. This first one I'm seeing indicates that it was created prior to the implementation of 9.2. PeopleSoft assigned one user ID that began with EXT and provided a temporary password to the person completing the profile. When I select the next icon, it is showing me a user ID that was created after the implementation of 9.2. Same kind of contact information as here, but this is an alphanumeric user ID that was created by the person who updated or created the profile after 9.2. The Identifications tab, it displays the unspec categories that identify the types of goods and services that the individual or business provides, but they are not required during bidder registration. Because we collect less information during bidder registration, notice that the number of tabs has been reduced to 4.